Welcome back. In a stroke of luck, few fishermen in Guwahati today made a surprise catch when they discovered a bag filled with ₹1,000 and ₹500 denominations, taking the local people by surprise. As the news spread like wildfire, people from different parts of the city rushed to the swamp at Chachal in Guwahati to try their luck. However, with the water body overflowing due to incessant rain, only brave hearts jumped into the water to catch hold of the floating currency notes. Even as the police arrived, they are still to figure out the source and the amount of money.
मच्छी मार रहा था, तब अचानक किसी का एक जाल में 1000 रुपए नोट, 500 रुपए नोट ऐसे आ गया। तब शुरू हो गया, आते रहा आदमी लोग आस्ते आस्ते उतरते रहा, सब खाली नॉन स्टॉप आते रहा। कहाँ से आ रहा है? उस तरफ से आ रहा है पानी, आते रहा। 500 और 1000 सब ओरिजिन है। बहुत कम से कम अभी तक कम से कम 50 से ऊपर उठा है, 50 से ऊपर होगा। अभी और तो बहुत है ही। 50 से 60,000 का ऊपर होगा, और तो है ही बहुत।
And for some sports news, Yuvraj Singh says that he's trying to get ready for the World T20 Championships in September. The man of the tournament of World Cup 2011, who won a tough battle against cancer, is gearing up to win battles on the cricket field yet again.
मेरा अभी सेकंड वीक है रिहाब का, तो I've gone to my second stage और I'm feeling good. So धीरे धीरे I'm sure my body will become stronger and 2020 World Cup is my target. So hopefully I can come a little before that. Wishes of the whole country. I want to come back and play for India. That's my goal, and I'm trying very hard. It's not really easy on the body. I've gone through a lot. Body's gone through a lot of shock. So it's gonna take time. People are expecting me to come back very quickly. It's not going to be possible. I have to take my time, and I want to come back 100% fit.
Despite stiff opposition from India, ICC's Chief Executive Committee is pushing for decision review system again. Among several recommendations, EC has said that DRS should be made compulsory. Chief executives are convinced with the results of the hotspot technology, hence feel that DRS should be implemented with hotspot in both Test and ODI. Sachin Tendulkar may feel it's premature, but ICC wants day and night test to become a reality. They're also in favor of a uniform anti-corruption code for all members. And finally, the chief executives want a report on the Bangladesh Premier League in view of the allegations of match fixing. However, the BCCI remains adamant. Their stance on the issue remains unchanged. In a statement, the board said that the BCCI continues to believe that the system is not foolproof. It also sticks to its view that the decision on whether or not to use DRS for a particular series should be left to the boards involved in that series. That is a wrap on this bulletin. Stay tuned to NDTV Hindu for more news and updates.